The winter season can lead kids to many diseases such as the severe cold, flu, throat infection, and stomach problems. So, here are the foods that can boost immunity in the kids. The first one we are going to talk about is fruits and vegetables. All seasonal fruits and vegetables are incredibly rich in vital antioxidants and vitamins. These food groups are low in calories. Most of them are packed with vitamin A and vitamin C that will help building up a child's immunity. The best ones to include in daily diet as immune boosters are fruits like guava, orange, papaya, berries, and vegetables like pumpkin, onion, green leafy vegetables. The second important food is yogurt. I think that you all love yogurt to eat. Yogurt makes us strong by providing immunity. Yogurt has a great potential as a protective anti-infection agent. Increasing the consumption of yogurt helps to resistant to immune-related diseases such as infections. The healthy snack is packed with calcium and several other nutrients that help maintain strong and healthy bones. The next most important thing is proteins, or how many proteins you intake in a day. Proteins from animal sources contain ample amount of all the essential amino acids and are a must for immune cells. They are found in fish, poultry, cheese, egg, and milk. Vegetarians can get their proteins in grains and legumes like soya beans, rajma, chickpeas. The fourth one is nuts. It has a lot of benefits. Walnuts and almonds have healthy omega-3 fatty acids that help your body fight illness. One small study found that omega-3 cut the number of respiratory infections in kids. Walnuts are easy to sprinkle into a snack mix or on cereal. And the last one is Indian condiments and spices. It is most important one. The Indian condiments and spices like garlic, ginger, and turmeric have antiviral and antibacterial properties. It also stimulates production of white blood cells within the body and is also an antioxidant. Garlic helps to prevent the cold and flu symptoms.